All right, welcome to the channel. So, are you tired of conflicting advice on what to eat for muscle preservation? Today we're going to be diving into protein sparing and exploring whether, just based on a couple studies, whether a high-carb plant-based diet or a high-fat animal-based diet is better for preserving muscle mass. You might be surprised what we find. So, to get right into it, research has found that the protein sparing effect the protein sparing effect of dietary fat and carbohydrates has been examined in different types of diets, including plant-based and high-fat animal-based. So these studies didn't compare high-fat vegan, high-fat plant-based, or low-fat animal-based, high-fat animal-based. They're two different types of diets. The plant-based diet typically was high in carbohydrates and low in fat, and consisted of whole foods, plant foods, like fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. One study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition compared a low-fat vegan diet to a high-protein, low-carbohydrate diet in healthy adults. The low-fat vegan diet was composed of 75% carbs, 15% protein, and 10% fat, while the high-protein, low-carbohydrate diet consisted of animal products such as beef, chicken, and eggs, and low-carbohydrate vegetables. Both diets were found to spare protein equally well, indicating that a low-fat, high-carbohydrate vegan diet can help preserve muscle mass. On the other hand, high-fat diets are usually low in carbohydrates and high in fat. In another study published in the Journal of Nutrition, in a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, researchers compared the protein-sparing effect of a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet to a high-protein, low-carbohydrate diet in healthy men. The high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet consisted of foods like bacon, sausage, cheese, butter, heavy cream, while the high-protein, low-carbohydrate diet included lean meats, eggs, and low-carbohydrate vegetables. Both diets were found to be equally effective at sparing protein, indicating that a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet can also preserve muscle mass. So it can work both ways. I'm not saying that replacing 1 gram per pound of body weight of protein, comparing it to a high-fat, obviously a higher protein diet is going to have better results, but how different it is, that's kind of what we're going over. Having a high carbohydrate, having a high fat diet can effectively preserve muscle as well. So overall, these studies suggest that both plant-based, high carbohydrate diets and high fat animal-based diets can effectively spare protein, which can have important implications for your athletic performance, weight loss, and overall health. However, it's important to note that these diets may have varying effects on other aspects of health, such as heart disease, and should be tailored to your individual needs and goals. So that's pretty much the video. I'm trying to make it shorter than before because all my videos are 10 minutes long. Let me know if you have any questions about this topic, and if you enjoyed it, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And I hope to get you a video soon. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye.